Morning students, 10th standard maths, chapter 3 is algebra, exercise 3.10. This one is a last exercise. In previous exercise we learned quadratic equations. It's a general form only learned. This exercise, solve the following quadratic equation by first method for factorization method only given. So question third one, square root of a bracket a minus 7 equal to 3 root 2. Find the factorization. Factorization method means product term and then middle term only find out and apply the factor method. So first of all, it's a square root. Remove the square root on both the side. First find the quadratic equation. So remove the first step, remove the square root. So squaring on both sides. So left hand side apply the square means this is square root remove, then right hand side apply the square only. So write a bracket a minus 7 equal to 3 root 2 whole square. The next step, both the term outside is a only given, so both the term multiply by a and remove the bracket. A into a multiple the term is a square. Next one 1 minus given means minus a into 7 is a 7a equal to 3 root 2 whole square. Then multiple the term 3 root 2 into 3 root 2. First coefficient value multiple 3 3s are 9 into root 2 into root 2. Same number given means then the number is a remove the square root and mention the number is a 2. So 9 2s are 18. So 3 root 2 whole square equal to 18. The next step is a right hand side term change into left hand side only. So a square minus 7a plus 18 change into minus 18 equal to 0. So this one is a quadratic equation. Next step, find out the factorization method. Apply the factorization method only. So see the term, product term is a minus 18 given and then middle term is a minus 7. So which of the tables, find out the answer, that only you have to identify. So product term minus 18 and then middle term minus 7. So 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18, then middle also minus symbol and then product also minus symbol. So big number only apply the minus symbol. So write minus 9 into 2 minus 18, minus 9 plus 2 equal to minus 7. So a square, the minus 7a applied by the variable term and then split the two terms only. So write first term is a minus 9a, next term is a plus 2a and the last constant term minus 18. Okay, first two terms is a common term only, writing outside. So split the term. First one is a square minus 9a. Which one is a common? Is a only common for both the term also. So writing a in outside, remaining term. So 2a, so one more a written outside, remaining term a minus a written outside, remaining is a 9 only. The next one 2 and 18 multiplied by the 2 table. So write the common term is a plus 2 within bracket a minus and then 2 table how many times for 18 is a 9 times only. So within outside term writing one factor is a plus 2 and then inside the bracket is repeated term one more time only mention a minus 9. So equal to 0, a plus 2 equal to 0 and then a minus 9 equal to 0. So 2 go to the right hand side, a equal to minus 2 and then minus 9 go to the right hand side, a equal to 9. So write down the solution. What is the solution? Solution equal to first one is a minus 2, comma second one a value is a 9. The same one is a fourth one. Solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. It's a root 2 terms only given. The same method is a product term and then find out the middle term. So first one is a coefficient values also start the first term. So root 2 into 5 root 2 multiple and find out the product term. So root 2 into 5 root 2 multiple the term. 5 into root 2. The same term given means so square root outside mention the number is 2. So 5 2s are 10. So product term 10 and then middle term is a plus 7 only given. So which of the table you find out? So 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. The same number, multiple the term, answer 5 2s are 10. And then add the term 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Both also middle and then product also plus symbol only given. So no need to apply the minus sign. So 5 1 2 only mention the terms. So root 2 x square, then 7x. You flip the term, one term is a 5x and then other term is a 2x only. So write plus 5x, the next term plus 2x plus apply the last constant term 5 root 2. So first two terms mention the common term, next third and fourth term. So first one is which one is a common term for this bracket? X square is a 2 times, then x one more time only repeated. So x is a common for both the terms. So x write in outside, remaining term root 2. X square, one more x write in outside, remaining x plus x write in outside is a 5 only. So root 2x plus 5. The next one plus this one is a 2x plus 5 root 2. So no one is common. So 2, how do you write the 2? Is a root 2 into root 2. That only mention the term. So root 2 into root 2 means answer is a 2 only. So which one is a common? This one root 2 2 times repeated. This one is a root 2 only one time only given. So root 2 writing outside, remaining term is a root 2x plus this root 2 writing outside is a 5 only. So outside terms writing one factor x plus root 2 and the next one is a bracket term root 2x plus 5. This both the term also equal to 0. X plus root 2 equal to 0. Root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. The next step, find the x value. So root 2 go to the right hand side. So x equal to minus root 2. Then this one, so root 2, first step constant term go to the right hand side. So root 2x equal to plus 5 change into minus 5. Next one is a x equal to minus 5 divided by root 2. So what is the solution? Solution equal to minus root 2 comma minus 5 by root 2. Second sum, the number of volleyball games that must be scheduled in a league with n teams is given by g of n equal to n square minus n by 2, where each team plays with every other team exactly once. A league schedules 15 games. How many teams are there in the league? First of all, you find out the quadratic equation and then solve the value, n value. So first step, mention the term number of volleyball games. Number of volleyball games. What is the mention? Is a g of n equal to n square minus n divided by 2. The next step is a number of games. How many number of games are given? 15 games only. So write number of games equal to 15. So mention the equation n square minus n by 2 equal to 15. The next step, dividing 2 is a go to the right hand side, it's a go to the multiplication only. So write n square minus n equal to 15 into 2. So write n square minus n equal to 15 2s are 30. The next step is a 30, go to the left hand side, change the term n square minus n plus 30 change into minus 30 equal to 0. Next, find out the factor. Is a product term minus 30 and the middle term is a no value given means it's a 1 only, so minus 1. So which of the table number find out? Minus 30. So which of the table? 6 5s are 30. So mention 6 5s are 30. Then apply the sign. Product also minus and then middle also minus symbol. So big number only apply the minus symbol. So minus 6 and 5. So mention the term. First term and then constant term, the same term only repeated. But middle minus n only, you flip the term minus 6 and then 5 only. So write n square. One more term is a minus 6n. Next term plus 5n minus 30. Then first two terms is a common. Next two terms. First two terms is a which of the term is a common? Is a n square and then n is a one more n only common right in outside. Remaining term n minus 6. This one 5 and 30 is a multiple by 5 table. So plus 5 within bracket n minus 30 in how many times for 5 table? 5 6 are 30. You mentioned the term is a 6 only. So right outside term n plus 5, inside the term n minus 6. So equal to 0. N plus 5 equal to 0. Then n minus 6 equal to 0. So n equal to plus 5 go to the right hand side is a minus 5. Next one n minus 6 equal to 0. Minus 6 go to the right hand side. N equal to 6. So this one is a find the how many teams are there in the league. So teams only positive value only. So negative we mentioned the term is a negative, not possible. So n equal to minus 5 is not possible. So what is the answer? N equal to 6. So write down the last term. There are 6 teams in the league. There are 6 teams in the league.